9 new languages are now supported in CapCut's auto caption feature. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, in total, 17 languages are supported in CapCut's auto caption feature at the time of recording this video. And the version of CapCut I'm using is CapCut version 2.0. This is really awesome news because some people have been saying their languages are included, but now that is included. So let's go and see how you can use the CapCut's auto caption feature. I'll click on new project and then import a video or even an audio file. Just click on open, and we just want to use the auto transcription and captioning feature in CapCut. So I'll add it to the timeline, and once I do, I can play it a little bit.
With the recent update on
the video is in English. That's really good. So we already know that English is supported. But in the latest update, the following languages are supported for CapCut's auto caption feature. We've got Italian, French, Vietnamese, Chinese, Dutch, Thai, Malay, Romanian, and Turkish. So those are the 9 new languages that are supported. And let's access now the auto captions feature. So I'll click on text and then click on auto captions. And once I do that, you'll come to this particular section and it's called auto captions. Recognize speech in the video and generate auto captions. Really handy tool. By default, we have English selected and then there's a drop down, but you also have the option to clear current subtitle. And with the language selected, you can click on create for CapCut to auto generate captions for your video. Now, if I click on the drop down, we'll be able to see the other languages that are supported. Chinese is new, Dutch is new, English has been there, French is new, German has been there, Indonesian has been there, Italian is new, Japanese has been there, Korean has been there, Malay is new, Portuguese has been there, Romanian is new, Russian has been there, Spanish has been there, Thai is new, Turkish is new, and Vietnamese is new. So the 9 new languages are available for you to use. And just a quick sample, if this video or if your video is in English, for example this one, and you've made your selection here, all I need to do is just click on creating auto captions, and it's going to create captions on the timeline that are timed to the audio of that particular video that you have on the timeline. So you just give it a couple of minutes, more or less seconds for it to be done, and once it's done, your subtitles or captions are going to be available for you to make any edits or changes that you feel you want to make to those particular captions. And it's done, speech recognized. And if I actually zoom in slightly, I can actually come over here and you can see something here, but if I click on it, you'll see it on the side here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply, let's say like this preset style. And once I do that, you'll be able to see the subtitles there. And then what I can do is I can bump up the font a little bit. Looks good. I can then do an enter to have 2 lines and then capitalize W. That is with the recent update. So that looks a little bit better, and you can do the same for everything else that you have here, right inside here, so that you can make the changes the way you want. Actually, what you can do is you can make sure that, let's actually zoom in this, you can actually highlight everything, and once you do, you can make the changes that you want. Let's say we want to use a different look and feel. Let's say we want to go with this one, and this is actually going to be applied across the board. Should be across the board. Yeah, there we go. When you make sure you've selected everything that you want to select right inside there. But this video was about using the auto captions or auto captions feature in CapCut. The new languages supported, and I hope that this video is of value to somebody that's interested in the new languages that are supported. Thanks for watching.